Greetings to everybody. Welcome to our Genius Campus. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in science subject. So in this video session, along with our Genius Campus grade 6th students, we are in the field. So we are going to observe the plant and its parts of Datura. So it is the wild plant, slightly sedative plants, nothing but we should not smell that, maximum we should not touch that, and we should not try to pluck out or something, but I will be take care. So I will involve in this activity lively, directly. Our students just they will be a part and they will be observed. Are you ready, dear students?
Yes, sir.
What is the topic we are going to discuss now?
Parts
Parts of the plant and flowers. Okay, yeah. Come forward, please. Yeah, here we have the plant. What is the name of this plant, dear students? Yeah, Datura plant. So keenly we could observe this is leaf. So on the leaf, each and every leaf, what this midline is called? Midrib. And these lateral lines are called veins. Loudly. Veins. Then what is the arrangement of these veins on the leaf called? Venation. What it is called?
Venation.
Then what type of venation is called? Reticulate venation.
Yes,
This is reticulate venation.
okay, sir.
Okay, dear kids. So this is the entire plant. I told you already. What are the types of plants are there? 3 types. What are those? Herbs, shrubs, trees. Then this Datura plant comes under herb because this is called herbaceous. What it is called, dear kids? Herbaceous. Than this height, maximum it won't grow than 1 meter height. This is a height. Are you clear? Then, and this is not woody. Just flexible and delicate stem and parts are there. Datura plant is not woody plant. This is wild plant and delicate stem is present and different branches are there. Green color. Why plants are green in color?
Because of chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll. What is the use of chlorophyll?
Plants make their
Own food. Yeah, photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food with the help of chloroplast and chlorophyll. That process is known as photosynthesis. Very good. Then come little closer. We shall observe the parts first of all. Yeah, here already we have the flower. But lively flower we can be observed here. Yeah, dear students. This is a flower. Insects are there. Pollination process is going on. So the pollination done through insects called entomophily. What it is called? Entomophily. So this is the flower. Observe clearly, everybody. This is called pedicel. What it is called? Pedicel. This is called pedicel. Then this green color structure is called sepals. What it is called? Sepals. Dear everybody. Are you observing, kids?
Yes, sir.
Then this white color structure is known as petals. What it is called? Petals. Okay. Now we shall open the petal. Come, mister, please. Tear this carefully. We are opening the petals. Kids, observe. Left hand. You can take off. Very good. Tear this carefully. Tear. Carefully we are removing. We are taking off the petals. These structures are called, kids, observe everybody. Andrecium, this is called. What it is called? Andrecium. So here each, this is called stigma. Which one I am holding? This structure is called stigma. Everybody. So one stigma is there. 5 anthers are there. 5 anthers. Look here. This is a wheat-like structure or grain-like structure called anther. On this anther, what will be? Pollen grains are found. Which are found? Pollen grains. What are found? Pollen grains. So these pollen grains transfer onto the stigma, that is called pollination. What it is called?
Pollination.
Pollination. So here pollination two types. If pollen grains transfer within the flower is called self-pollination. If it is transfer from one flower to another flower or another plant is called cross-pollination. How many types? Two types. Self and cross. So once after the pollination, what will happen? Fertilization occurs. After fertilization, dear kids, come closer. So the ovary, here it is the ovary. Ovary is present inside the flower. I am taking off. Everybody, kids, look here. I will show you ovary carefully. Leave that. I am taking off. Everybody, clearly look here. Yeah, kids. This is called stigma, style, and ovary. Here it is ovary. Here. Down one. This is called ovary. If we cut that, if we cut that with blade, with the help of blade, small seeds are found. Okay, small seeds, but here now it is not appearing. Small seeds are found inside the, ovules, those are. Not seeds, what they are called? Ovules. So after fertilization, that ovary is converted into fruit. Look here. So ovary is converted into fruit. Then ovules are converted into seeds. Look here how sharp it is. Then this type of fruit is known as a capsule. What it is called?
Capsule.
Capsule fruit. Okay. Hold in your hand. Matured one we should not pluck. Why? Because they harm to our hands. Because you never try to pluck matured one. My dear kids, okay? Are you clear? And don't crush those. Don't crush those. And please, without guidelines, don't try to touch this plant. Whenever you are free, don't try to touch this plant because this is a sedative. These plant pots are used in preparation of the medicines, especially veterinary, kettles and etc. Veterinary medicines purpose, these plant pots are used because a sedative this is. Are you clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in our classroom, we will cut this ovary, we will cut this fruit and observe the ovules or seeds which are present inside the fruit.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
So this is the small activity about Datura plant. So this Datura plant is especially bisexual plant, herbaceous and wild plant especially. Yeah, thank you everybody. Signing off, this is Mr. Karthikeyan from our Genius campus along with our 6th grade kids.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for signing off.